Don't you wish HubSpot was better at ABM, account-based marketing? Well, with today's update, it is. Hey, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right, now live in HubSpot, company-based workflows. And this is amazing because for years, we've been able to create workflows on a contact-based functionality, which one-to-one interactions or creating tasks is awesome. But if you're trying to do account-based marketing, then companies is definitely the way to go. Now live in HubSpot is the ability to do this. If you go into your workflows tool, you'll now see that you can create on companies. So as you can tell from the updates lately, HubSpot is really focused on the workflows tool. Just a while ago, it got to the point where we could automate deals and tickets in workflows, and now companies. Now, I will give you a pro tip. You do have to have at least marketing professional to be able to create these company-based workflows. Also, the functionality is a little limited right now, meaning you can create tasks, you can send emails, and you can change properties. But HubSpot is going to be working on making it as feature-rich as the contacts workflows that we're all used to. So head into your workflows tool and check it out. See what you can do to better your account-based marketing or even your regular marketing with being able to create workflows on a company basis. Also, of course, you know it's live now and it's live in all languages. Go check it out. I'm super curious, how would you use this new functionality? Let us know in the comments below. Sprocketeers, did you enjoy this update? Then make sure you head over to sprockettalk.com/FB. That'll take you to our private Facebook group where we can carry on the conversation. Also, make sure you check out sprockettalk.com/audio or /video to get to our podcast. And while you're on the interwebs, check out our Facebook and our YouTube channel where you can hit the bells, the likes, the subscribes, all the things so that we know you're part of the community. Do you training past this video? Then check the links below. That's what we do, weekly trainings as well as 1- and 2-day workshops. Make sure you go out and check out this new functionality. Make sure you see if company-based workflows is a good fit for you. And while you're doing that, make sure you're doing some happy HubSpotting.